Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a man-made lake. First, you need to thoroughly plan your project. Research local regulations and secure all necessary permits before breaking ground. Think about the purpose of your lake. This will guide decisions on size, shape, and depth. A well-planned lake, perhaps 10 feet deep in some areas, ensures longevity and ecological balance. This initial phase is vital for avoiding costly mistakes later on. Selecting the right site is paramount. Look for an area with natural depressions and, ideally, clay-rich soil, which helps retain water. Your design should integrate with the existing landscape, considering natural water flow and potential runoff. Plan for essential features like a spillway to manage excess water during heavy rains and an overflow pipe to maintain a consistent water level. A thoughtful design prevents erosion and ensures your lake's stability. Once your design is finalized and permits are in hand, excavation can begin. Carefully shape the lake bed, creating varying depths and contours as planned. After excavation, compact the soil firmly to provide a stable foundation. Next, install a durable pond liner. This is a critical step. Ensure the liner is free of punctures and wrinkles to prevent leaks. Overlap seams by at least 12 inches and seal them properly for a watertight finish. With the liner in place, it's time to slowly fill your new lake with water. Monitor carefully for any leaks during this process. Once filled, introduce appropriate aquatic plants and, if desired, fish to help establish a balanced ecosystem. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Ongoing maintenance, including regular water quality checks and keeping your spillway clear, will ensure your man-made lake remains a beautiful and thriving feature for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.